Yo, we back with another one, man. Back at the shop. And look what we have here today. B, what we have here, man? What is this, man? I don't think they can see.
Man, it's the old school original 1997 Cutlass Supreme, man. And in New Orleans, man, it was the babies right here. You had one of them 1997s in New Orleans, man. Come on, man. It was the original dope boy in the city at that time. So, you know, I'm just bringing it back. My city, my culture, on my brand, the type of cars that we used to drive. And I'm just keeping it original, keeping it thorough with it. We just wanted to be the way it is, you know what I'm saying? This is something that I want to keep for my own pride and joy, you know what I'm saying? Just a collector item. Priceless, you know what I'm saying?
Priceless.
So that's all I'm trying to do with it right now. Just keep it original, keep everything, you know, take it a day at a time. I ain't trying to do too much, but I'm just going to make sure the basic on it and everything is going to be good. You know what I'm saying? I still got a little over making a new on it and overall touching up and stuff like that, but it's gonna come back to what it needs to do though. Like I said, I promise y'all, it's a 1997.
1997?
1997, man. My grandmother had one, she had a photo. I used to hate riding in that car, she used to smoke cigarettes in that motherfucker.
Crazy work. Now you got one.
Yeah, big dog.
Yeah,
she used to smoke cigarettes in that motherfucker. Go to church every Sunday, man.
I put my own shopping like I bet you did that.
That's gonna be that boy, man. Yeah. You gonna keep them wheels on there?
Man, you know I can't keep them wheels on there, man. You know I can't do that, man.
What you thinking, brother? Like, I know you got something in the pot.
I just gotta let Houston see it when it's time. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta let them see it when it's time, man. You know, but at the end of the day, I'm a one-man show.
For sure.
You know, so I put it to the side due to my work ethic and my jobs, and I jump back on it on my extra little time.
Right.
But I ain't gonna keep it to the side for long, but I just gotta keep working on it a little bit at a time. Slow motion is better than no motion.
No motion, for sure, man.
So that's the best thing, and that's the key to the game.
But I see she in the garage right now, so what that mean?
Man,
like,
so
you
right
working
now,
on it?
We gonna finish doing a little touching up underneath the hood, sanding everything down underneath here, and getting it re-primed up. We may take it off, just depends. But if it ain't too bad to where we need to take it off, but we still could touch up some of these small areas without taking it off. Just keeping it simple, you know? So that's what we heading at right now. Just getting everything touched up and ready for repainting the front, underneath the hood primed up. And then we're gonna just come back with a base coat overall once the product is really almost there where we need to be. So once we there where we need to be, you're gonna see where we need to go. And when we need to go, it's gonna be near you soon.
Right.
That's where we're gonna be. In
on
your
the
face.
road.
In your face.
In your face.
And not on the road, in your face. We're gonna be in your face with it.
Man, look at this thing, man.
Yeah.
Man, the windows look damn near brand new.
And we're gonna put that maple clear on there. So you gotta come with a $400 clip game when you fucking with me with some old school. And I'm talking about, that's that CC Maple 6. You know what I'm talking about, you know that clip game. So talk to me. That's a $400 get a clip. $400 clip going on there. Plus the $400 gallon of paint. So we're looking at almost $1,000 paint job plus the base coat. So we're looking at $1,000 just in materials.
Okay.
Just in materials.
Just in materials.
Yes, sir.
Man, it's gonna be one of a kind, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Can't wait to see this thing on the road, man. For sure. Classic. Cutlass Supreme, man. This is Supreme?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You better know it. And just like that.
Trying to give them the original snap back, you know what I'm saying? The original body, you know, stickers on it, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, you did that quick. That was a quick transformation.
Yeah, that was a quick, something quick. You know.